Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Wise and I'm your host Kamlesh Sharma. I hope you all are doing well at home, you're fine and safe during this pandemic time. Now coming to the topic of this video, today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic which is very in these days. Okay, I'm sure you must have heard about these two terms. Okay, so as you can see my board, we are going to discuss coding versus programming. Alright, so today we are going to decode what is the difference between coding and programming, and I'm sure by the end of the video you will be able to understand the difference well, and after this video things will become crystal clear to you. Okay, so let's move over to the topic. See, first of all, please understand coding and programming are not very different things, right? They can be used interchangeably, right? Please understand that for a small child, coding and programming doesn't make a very big difference. They can be used interchangeably and it is all okay, right? But as far as a technical person is concerned, there is difference between the two terms. All right, so because these days a lot of there is a lot of interest in coding, there is a lot of things being talked about this topic, so I just thought of making this video so that my students and the people who watch this channel should be aware of the difference. All right, so I can say that programming is a broader term, right? It is like an umbrella term, while coding is a smaller term. Okay, please understand that programming is a bigger thing, bigger concept, while coding is a smaller concept. Okay, we can take an example of a book here. Like I can say that programming is like writing a book, while coding can be termed as writing a chapter. Okay, so you can understand it from this point of view, like book is a big thing while chapter belongs to the book. Chapter is a subset of the book. Alright, so this way you can say coding is the subset of programming, right? Coding is a smaller thing, programming is a bigger thing, right? So programming is a bigger term, coding is the part of programming. Right, so this is the first and the foremost thing you should be aware of. Now coming here, what I have written some of the differences here which I would like all of you to understand. The first thing, coding is I'm sorry, I wrote it probably wrong. Right. Coders are beginners. Yeah, fine. Coders are beginners. Okay, so basically coding is meant for beginners only, while when we talk about programming is a pure technical field. It is not only coding, it is not only writing certain lines of code, certain programming language lines. It is lot more than that. Okay, so I have also written that they are the technical experts and they have got strong analytical skills. Okay, they are able to analyze the problem, they are able to understand the problem, they are able to make the prototypes, they are able to write the programs to solve that problem, and they are able to do a lot more things apart from simple coding. Okay, so understand it once again. Coders are beginners while programmers are technical experts. Right? Coming over to the next point, a coder is responsible for a specific part of a software. As I told you, coders are beginners. Coders are they are responsible for certain module or certain part of making a program or a software. Okay, they are not responsible for overall creation of the software, right? While a programmer is responsible for creating and building the entire software. Okay, so I hope you can understand from here, from this point number 2, that how huge is the difference between a coder and a programmer, right? Coming to point number 3, coding is like, as I have already told you, it is like writing a chapter, right? Coding is writing a chapter, while programming is writing an entire book. Okay, so there's a huge difference between both the things. Okay, then point number 4, coding means writing many lines of code to create a software program. You must have heard these days how many lines of codes you have written. Yeah, hour of code is there. Okay, whenever we talk about coding these days, you must have heard about many platforms who are teaching coding also. So they always use this term lines of code. Okay, so coding is basically writing certain lines of code to solve a problem. Okay, and why are we using these this point number 4, writing the lines of code? Because coders are the beginners. Okay, coders are beginners, so that is why they write the certain lines of code. They are not creating huge softwares. They are solving certain specific programs. Certain specific problem. Okay, while programming is not only coding. You can read it here. It involves coding plus other jobs like analyzing the problem, okay, understanding the entire problem, then implementing the correct data structures, choosing choosing the correct algorithms, okay, and testing is also there. Many things are there in the software programming, software development. Okay, so for a technical person, these two terms are actually very different. Alright, looking at the 5th point, see, as I said, it is it is a smaller concept. So I have also written that it is easier to become a coder, because here you are learning the basics only. Okay, so things are little easier, very easy. So anybody and everybody can become a coder. That's why the huge companies these days are saying anyone can become a coder, right? So the reason behind it is this only, because coding is very easy. When it comes to programming, it is relatively difficult, and you need intensive practice. You need a very you need to be very disciplined, and you have to devote a lot of time, lot of hard work has to be put into programming, okay, in order to be very successful, right? So coming to point number 6, not all coders are programmers. That's very interesting. Okay, if you are a coder, that does not mean that you are a programmer, but if you are a programmer, you are definitely a coder. Because as I told you in the beginning, coding is the subset of programming. So if you know programming is a broader term. If you know programming, you automatically know coding. But if you know coding, that does not imply that you are good enough for programming. Okay, so all programmers are coder, but not all coders are programmers. And this, I think I should have written this point in the beginning itself. This coding is a narrower discipline. It is a smaller discipline. Okay, if I compare programming with coding you are not going to study a lot. Okay, so it is narrower discipline, while programming is a very broader discipline, because you are going to study a lot of things here. A huge range of concepts are going to be taught into programming. Alright, diagram. So in the end, I have created a small diagram to tell you how you can move from coding to programmer. So as a coder, you start from here and then you move ahead. Okay, you jump onto the stairs, and then you are definitely going to become a programmer with intensive practice, your regularity, and that's the difference between coding and programming. I hope you would have understood the concept. Put your comments and do let me know about the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe at home. Bye bye. Love you.